This jam lasts for a good several months if you put it in a sterilized container, and also if you want you can put it in your fridge. So we're going to be enjoying delicious mangoness for a while. Mangoness. I don't know where my tongue is today, so let me show you what I'm going to use. So I have a bunch of mangoes here. I've already washed them. As you can see, they're not looking the healthiest. The season is coming to an end, but I'm sure I'm going to get some nice mango flesh from here. Plenty of sugar again, because this is jam, it has to be sweet, and the sugar helps to preserve it, guys, so you can't reduce it too much. And also our lemon juice here. So the first thing, I want to chop this up. Should be easy.